Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the compressor for a Volkswagen Touareg. This is the model from 2005 and it has the air suspension. So firstly we have to find the hose necessary to inflate the tires. So in my case I found the hose right over here. Behind this seat. You have to pull this over here under the seat, pull up, and after that you have to open this this seat over here. So this is the area where I can find where I found the hose, and it looks like this. So this is the hose over here, right? You have to take this hose and install it underneath the seat over here. Underneath this seat, you will going to see this one, a plastic cover. Actually, it's a rubber cover. Just take it off. See. And we have to connect this hose and let's see if I made it. It's hard a little bit because that's it, yeah. And that's it. This is connected. If you want this to work, you need to, so this is how it looks. You have a pressure thing to see what is the pressure in your tires. In my case, has to be during the winter 2.5 bars for front wheels and 2.7 bars for back wheels. Oh, by the way, yeah, so if you want to inflate this model, you have the information for the tire pressure over here. This is the driver side door, and over here you can see all the informations. And that's about it. This is how you use. Oh, another thing. So if you want to inflate, for example, if I want to inflate now a tire, I must start the engine. It's not working without the engine running. So yeah, okay, thank you for watching and please subscribe.